Amirá building by Archetonic in Santiago de Querétaro, Mexico. Amirá is located on top of a hill, overlooking the city of Querétaro, which gives the building privileged views of its surroundings. This relationship and reciprocity between architecture and the city were fundamental in our design process. The strategic location considers its proximity to educational and health centers, hotels, horizontal and vertical residential complexes, as well as land for future developments with great potential for the area. The project consists of 126 housing units organized in superimposed and displaced blocks of regular geometry, allowing each housing unit to receive natural lighting and ventilation. The configuration and volume of the project allow all units and most amenities to have unobstructed views of the city. Each typology is resolved with an intense relationship towards the exterior through terraces and floor-to-ceiling glass. The regular geometry of the housing blocks is crossed by bodies of more angular, porous, and permeable geometry that contain the common areas, denoting with this gesture the different uses and dynamics of the program. These communal spaces for the building's community project towards the void in the cantilever, semi-open, seeking to provide users with quality spaces. Our architecture protests and reflects on how housing projects resolve typologies of coexistence in our country. The rear facade is mainly designed to resolve vertical and horizontal circulations and faces the access plaza, while the main facade presents transparency that overlooks the city to contemplate its fortunate views with extended terraces that generate shade and mitigate temperature gain inside, due to its west orientation. Two different shades of exposed concrete configure the materiality of the facade, which with the setting sun adopts the ochre and earthy tones of the building's surroundings.